I feel this is for someone who has been betrayed, who has been cheated on by someone, really close. And universe has been giving you signs about this situation, this person, and you were ignoring it. So this is the time where universe is telling you to make a decision. Use your gut feeling, ask the universe to guide you. Universe will give you the signs, and a transformation, a rebirth is happening in your life, where the old self, your old self is transforming through pain or some lesson. You'll be transformed into a better person, into a more higher self of you, a more mature version of you. And this was written, this was meant to happen. And whoever has done this to you, he or she has been feeling devastated. They are in deep regret and guilt right now, after you leaving them, or after you getting to know about all that they have done to you. They are really in guilt and shame, and they are devastated. They didn't expect you to move away or take this decision, but universe is guiding you. This was meant to happen, and this will bring a lot of clarity to you and emotional stability. So much of emotional maturity. You'll be able to handle your emotions more, in a better way. And you'll get some clarity, some emotional, some communication in future, which will attract your soulmate. Whatever has happened in the past with whatever person you were dealing with was a karmic lesson, but now universe is making space for your soulmate to enter. I'm seeing the lover's energy, and this time, this one will be a long term one, a loving, a pure, unconditional love, divinely guided love. For the time being, universe is telling you to take a step back, to heal yourself, to spend some time with yourself, meditate. Okay, do whatever makes you feel better. Do self care, do self love, and take a step back from anything that was hurting you or not serving your purpose. You will get justice this year. Whoever has done wrong to you will get punished, will get the consequences of their bad karma. And you are going to be seeing that. You'll witness that karma exists, and you will be given justice. And prepare yourself, heal yourself. Clarity is coming, and soon emotional stability and soulmate relationship, love relationship is coming to you. So don't worry, release all that is not serving you, let go of all the past baggage, move forward in a more loving, happy energy. Soon you will be attracting your soulmate.